When working with comments within a PDF, there's a lot of things you can do to help yourself to find comments, to sort them, to see them, and even to export them to other programs so that you can utilize them in another program. If we have a document open that has comments on it, looking down in the lower left down here, I can see the comments area. What this does is it allows us to see all the comments that have been placed within the document. By default, it's actually sorted by page. So if I close up page 1 here, I can see that I've got my separate pages. It even tells me what comments are there, who said them, what they said, etc. By clicking on one of the comments down here, what it effectively does is selects the comment on the page for me. So if I'm trying to see, Jill H., what's she talking about with global here? I can see that she basically says, instead of company, let's say global. Now what we can do is we can reply to comments down here. We can sort comments. If you take a look over here at sort by, this allows us to sort by type of comment. One of my favorites actually is by author. By choosing author, you can actually see it shows a dialog box here telling you exactly how you can get it back to where it was. You can also say don't show again. Click OK. It's going to sort by the author, and then you can see what comments that they each individually had said. Now, I'm going to actually get that back to sort by type. OK. I want to show you this. We've got sort by type. You can see the different types of comments out here. Now, if you look at show actually allows us to say, you know what, let's hide all the comments on the page. By choosing hide all comments, sometimes that's a nice way to just look at the document itself if you're trying to just go through and read or look what's happening in the document. So for instance, I want to say show just the comments by Jill H. That will literally just show all of the comments by Jill H. They're sorted by comment type. And if I click on one of these out here, opening up my inserted text and clicking, it'll highlight which ones it's talking about. Now, one of the best features in here is the ability to search comments. Somebody told me that they wanted to actually search on the new comment that had the EXR52 in it, and I want to find out where they said it. So by clicking on search comments, you can actually type in, I know somebody had typed in 52, they put that in a comment. If we choose search comments here, we do have some things we can sort it by. It's going to go through and actually select and tell me where those comments are located within the file. How many times they occur, in other words. One document with one instance. Excellent way to do that. So it's finding within this current document right here. All right, if I close the search window back up, it should pop back open. Another thing we can do is print comments. If you look at print comments, this allows us to print a summary, which is excellent. You can also create a PDF of the comment summary. And one of my favorite features is clicking on options. I can actually go out and say, let's summarize the comments. By choosing Summarize Comment, it allows you to summarize comments on a single document or multiple documents. You can then print it out if you want. I do this a lot. If I have an InDesign file that somebody made comments on a PDF of, I can actually print this, go to InDesign, and make my changes off of the pages, or even come back to the PDF itself. One of the final features to look at here is how to export comments. You can export comments out of a PDF document to applications such as Word, AutoCAD, or even to a data file. So a lot of ways to work with a PDF document containing comments.